Today we will be seeing a live demonstration of Trifecta blockchain. Trifecta blockchain is the first blockchain protocol which provably solves the blockchain trilemma. Trifecta blockchain has both proof of work and proof of stake version, and both of these versions are longest chain based protocol. In today's demonstration, we will be seeing the proof of stake version of Trifecta blockchain. The proof of work version of Trifecta also has the same performance. We will be demonstrating Trifecta on 100 live nodes. Each of these nodes is run on one AWS instance, and these nodes are divided into 6 different shards. Each of the shard is maintaining their own ledger. Now that the instances have started, we will be connecting them via a 4-degree random graph. We will now mount a solid-state disk on each of these nodes. The solid-state disk increases read and write capacity of each of these nodes, which is essential to scale the system. We will now sync the Trifecta code to each of these instances and start the demo. Okay, the demo has started. Now we will shift to the visualization screen. Trifecta blockchain has 3 different types of blocks: the voter blocks, the proposer blocks, and the transaction blocks. The transaction blocks are colored into 6 different colors, each of the color representing different shards. Each of the shard is maintaining its own ledger. The security of the system comes from the voter blocks and the proposer blocks, whereas the horizontal and the vertical scaling of the system comes from the transaction blocks. This is the visualization of Trifecta running on these 100 AWS nodes. Now we shall go to the performance metric of the whole system. This is the performance panel of the whole Trifecta system. On the right hand side, we see the network on which the 100 AWS nodes are running. The performance can be further broken down into 3 different panels. The top panel is the throughput of the whole system, and we see the throughput of the system is roughly 235,000 transactions per second. The plot here is the instantaneous throughput of 20 of these different nodes. The second panel is the confirmation latency of the system, and we see that the average confirmation latency over the last 5 minutes is roughly 26 seconds, and this plot here is the instantaneous latency per node. The third panel is the forking rate in the system. As we've seen before, Trifecta blockchain has proposer chain and voter chains, and forking rate is nothing but the fraction of orphan blocks on each of this chain. We see here that the forking rate of the whole system is quite low, and this is what gives Trifecta 50% security. Now that we've seen the performance of the whole system, let's break it down to different shards. We are running 6 different shards in this demo, and each of the shards is represented by one of these transaction block colors. Each shard maintains its own ledger and can support throughput of 40,000 transactions per second, and hence the system can overall support a throughput of 225,000 transactions per second. The security of each shard is guaranteed by the same proposer and the voter trees, and hence they share the same confirmation latency, which is roughly around 20 seconds. For a more detailed understanding of the protocol, please refer to the link on the video.